Hello my dear students, welcome back to my channel. I am again with the PYQs of CBSE board examination class 12 mathematics. Today I am with the chapter number 2 inverse trigonometric functions. Here I have taken two questions. Both of the questions have been asked in CBSE 2024. Very important questions. So how to tackle these questions? Let us see. First, this question. We have to simplify cos inverse x plus cos inverse x by 2 plus root 3 minus 3x square by 2 when x is greater or equal to 1 by 2 and less or equal to 1. So, how to simplify it? For simplifying, always remember that if you do the trigonometrical substitution, because here is the inverse trigonometrical functions. So if you do the trigonometrical substitutions in place of x, then you can easily simplify these type of problems. But here we have to think what we have to put in place of x that simplifies and that turns this expression into a formula, that turns this term into a formula. So let us see. If we put cos inverse x, let you can get x is equal to cos alpha. Put x is equal to cos alpha and cos inverse x is equal to alpha. Both are the same things in this. So we will get here alpha plus cos inverse. What is x? X is cos alpha. So 1 by 2 cos alpha plus root 3 minus 3. What is x square? It will be cos square alpha by 2. Okay. So that will become, it is alpha plus cos inverse. Here is 1 by 2 cos alpha. You can take root 3 common. So root 3 here is 2 in the denominator. So it is root 3 by 2 root 1 minus cos square alpha. Okay. So that will become alpha plus cos inverse 1 by 2 cos alpha plus root 3 by 2. And what is root 1 minus cos square alpha? It is sine alpha. Okay. Now you can see that if we change this formula into, if we change this term, we are able to change this term into a formula. But for this, here is cos inverse, so it is it will be favorable for us to make inside the formula for cos in terms of cos. So what we have to do? We have to do alpha plus cos inverse. Here what is 1 by 2 in terms of cos? So you know that cos 60 degree, that means cos pi by 3 is equal to 1 by 2. So in place of 1 by 2 you can write cos pi by 3. Here is cos alpha. And in place of root 3 by 2, what is here is sine. So what is root 3 by 2 in terms of sine? So it will be sine pi by 3 sine alpha. Okay. Now you know the formula that cos a minus b is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So this formula is creating here. So we will write it alpha plus cos inverse. What is this? It is cos A minus B. So you can write it. So you can write it cos pi by 3 cos pi by 3 cos pi by 3 minus alpha. Okay, cos pi by 3 minus alpha. Now here is cos inverse, here is cos. So both diffuses each other. So it will be alpha plus pi by 3 minus alpha and plus alpha cancels out. So here will be pi by 3. Here will be pi by 3. So what is the simplification of this? It is pi by 3. So this is the answer of this question. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to find the value of k in the second question when sine inverse k tan 2 cos inverse root 3 by 2 is equal to pi by 3. Very good question. So what we have to do? Sine inverse, here is k tan. Now 2 cos inverse root 3 by 2. So what is cos inverse root 3 by 2? We can write it. We can write it 2 cos inverse. In terms of cos, what is root 3 by 2? Because here is cos inverse, so we have to change this root 3 by 2 in terms of cos. So it will be cos pi by 6, cos pi by 6, okay, cos pi by 6 is equal to pi by 3. Now sine inverse, what is k? Here we have to we have to think, we have to make a mind to get the principal value. So sine inverse k tan, so it will be 2, here is cos inverse, here is cos, so it is pi by 6, it is pi by 6, which is equally correct because pi by 6 belongs to the principal value range of cos inverse function, which is from close interval from 0 to pi, and pi by 6 resides there. So it will be pi by 6. Now 2 3 are 6, 2 3 are 6. Here will be sine inverse k tan pi by 3, k tan pi by 3. Okay, it is pi by 3. Now what is tan pi by 3? What is tan pi by 3? So tan pi by 3, that means tan 60 is root 3, is equal to pi by 3. Okay. So here is sine inverse k root 3 is equal to pi by 3. So what is k root 3? It is sine pi by 3, and sine pi by 3, that is sine 60 degree, is equal to root 3 by 2. So in this way k root 3 is equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 and root 3 cancels out. So what is the value of k? The value of k is 1 by 2. So this is all about the value of k. We have to find in the second question, which has been asked in CBSE board examination 2024. So these two questions are very important, and in different nature questions. So please practice these questions. So this is all about today. Thank you very much.